Go ahead, tell me. Stop calling it Minecraft vehicle. It is a Minecraft vehicle. Look, it even says like an H in it. See that H right there? Wide H? We're gonna do the wipers. That's what we're gonna do. Look how easy. No tools required. Look at this. And slide in. Pop upward. Now, don't smash the windshield. I repeat, do not. Make sure it's straight. Make sure it's back in. And it'd be easier if I had both hands available. Oh, this insert popped out? What? Are you kidding me right now? This puppy popped out? Oh God. Alright, so yeah, it popped out. So we gotta put this back in. What? It's supposed to be brand new. Junk. Alright, no big deal. I just pulled this back straight out. Let's go get a measurement on this thing because I'm betting this thing's like a 28. So let's go get a tape measure and make sure this puppy sits nice and tight and correctly. Look at this. Why does this insert pop out? You gotta be kidding me right now. Look at this. Now, let's do it with both hands. Okay, definitely both hands. So the stupid insert, I don't know why it pops out of the wiper, but apparently it's a universal wiper. Maybe it's not the original. Let's go get a measurement and see what they are. Let's go get that one off too. Yeah, I don't think this is factory. This is a 26er, and usually Hyundai, it's a 26er. Usually Hyundai will have, what's this? 17, 18. It's an 18. Usually if they're brand new from Hyundai, they will have actual insignia. Yeah, I don't think these are... Yeah, these aren't factory. All right, let me get this off. No, these aren't factory, man. That's weird. So these are actually... Why do you replace them already? This thing's brand new, dude. That's weird. You tell me Hyundai has bad wipers? From new? I don't know. Let's put this guy back in. This is aftermarket. This ain't factory. Yeah. Put this back where you got it. So this is technically aftermarket. So I'm putting, but I don't like this brand. I don't know. Well, I got it one-hander. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.